guys, it's Kyle the How-To Guy 123 here, and today I'm going to be installing my new 3080 Ti into my PC. And well, we'll be replacing my GeForce GTX 970, which is like 6 years old. And like I said, replacing it with a 3080 Ti. So this is a brand new build. It's like a couple months old, I think like 4 months. And because of the graphics card shortage, I was unable to get a graphics card, and I've just been using my GTX 970 as a temporary card. But now we can replace it with a 3080 Ti. So we're gonna install it. So I'm already grounded. I have my PC plugged into the wall, but the power supply is turned off. So I have an 850 watt power supply, so it should be good enough to handle the, well, it should be more than enough to handle the 3080 Ti, hopefully. Alright, so PC is powered off, of course. So I've already held the power button for 10 seconds just to discharge any electricity that's still running through the circuits. We can go ahead and unplug the 970. We're going to have to unscrew it. First of all, we have to unscrew this bracket on my NZXT H510i. So it's this bracket here. So this bracket here holds the graphics card if you want to mount it vertically, which we're not going to be doing. And then we just take out the screws. So it's a two bracket graphics card, both the 970 and the 3080. Now we need to open the PCIe slot and just gently wiggle the graphics card out. Actually, it doesn't open all the way, is it? There we go. Now it is. You just give it a click. And there goes our EVGA GTX 970 Superclock. Good old reliable for the past 6 years. I'll probably put this back in my old computer, and maybe, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my old computer, but we can see. And now for the RTX 3080 Ti. So I'm just going to move this cable all the way. It's off frame for now. Got it. Okay, gotta take off this rubber thing, rubber protector, and fortunately it fits. That was a concern. It's a bit of a tight fit, but it fits nonetheless. Line it up with the PCIe slot. Make sure it's vertical, and just slides in just like that. And now we're just going to want to screw it in. So you can see I have quite a bit of clearance. That was a huge concern, that I wasn't going to have enough space because the NZXT H510i is quite a small case. I believe because this is the Founders Edition, it's, I believe, smaller than a lot of the partner cards. Okay, so that's screwed in. Just a comparison in size to my 970. It's a few, maybe like 4 or 5 centimeters longer. Okay, so now we got to plug it in. So where's the adapter? Okay, so basically the 3080 takes a 12-pin power connector, so you need an adapter. This comes with the graphics card. So this part goes in here, just like that, and then you take our good old wait, hold on. Oh, okay, I see. I got confused for a sec. So we have, so in our 970, we just had 2 6-pins, and hopefully you can see there, 2 6-pins. So now we gotta take our 6 pins plus these 2 pins and put them in the adapter. Just like so. So there's 1. And 2 pin. And there we go. So in terms of cable management, I'm probably just going to stick it down just like that. I mean, I didn't really have these tied down to begin with. Let's take a zip tie here. I think I'm just gonna stick it like that, just leave it down here for now. Maybe I'll clean it up later, but it shouldn't get in the way of putting the side panel on. The tubes here kind of hit the graphics card, but that was the same on my 970. Fortunately, like on my 970, the PCB was kind of visible here, but on the 3080, it's not. It wasn't a problem with my 970, so it should be fine with the 3080. So I think that's the installation done. I think I'm gonna give this a bit of a clean up, and then, or just give my computer a bit of a dusting, and then we'll plug it in and hopefully it works. Okay, moment of truth. Sorry for the bad lighting, but there's the graphics card in. This is gonna be the first boot. So one thing I didn't really take into account, it's not really a problem, but I have 3 monitors here. That one's connected with DisplayPort, that one's connected with HDMI, and that one I had connected with a DVI cable, and the 3080 does not have a DVI port, so I'm probably gonna have to get some sort of adapter for that. But anyways, let's go ahead. Oh, very bright. And turn this on, first boot. Oh, there's GeForce RTX. Okay, do I get a display? I do get a display. You can see that BIOS screen there. There we go. Very nice, it works. Gonna go ahead and boot into Windows and install the drivers. Then I'm just gonna put the side panels back on. That's not focusing very well on the GeForce RTX logo on the card, but I'll get a better shot once I put the side panel back on and I have the drivers installed. As you can see, this resolution's all screwed up. But great, it works. That's a relief. Oh, it's flickering. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go install the drivers. Alright, so we've successfully installed my NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti. As you can see, there is some minor issues, but nothing that's gonna affect the graphics card or my computer, and they can be solved later. So you can see that the tubes for my AIO, they're getting a little bit close to the fan. They're not hitting the fan, they're like millimeters off, so it should be fine. I'm gonna leave it for now. Here, I'll show you guys. I'll come in closer and hopefully you guys can see there that the tubes are getting a little bit close to the fan. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave it for now. But what I might do in the future is mount the AIO upside down so that the tubes come upwards and they miss the fan of the graphics card. And overall, that's just a better way to mount your AIO in general, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. Also, the cables, the power cables for the graphics card, they're fine. This is how I kind of had them mounted with my old graphics card anyways, or not like, you know, cable managed, I guess. I just think I have a little bit too much slack, but I don't feel like going in and looking or adjusting the mess at the back of the case just to reduce the slack on the cables, so I'm just gonna leave that for now. I also didn't notice that there is some, there's a white LED by the fan, so I think that looks pretty nice as well. I hope you guys can see that. There's a better angle of the fan, the white LED on the fan. I think that looks very nice. I actually didn't know that was there. But anyways, I think that's pretty much it for the video. A little bit strapped for time today, and I really want to go ahead and jump in and play some RTX Minecraft. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.